up, everybody? It's your boy Limited Cypress back again with another video. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are doing another video. Today we are on Steam and we are doing Team Fortress 2. Let's hop right into it. Let's do that thing. So, if you guys are not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications to be notified of when I upload and to never ever miss a video that I post, because I'm very awesome and I'm very epic and I want you guys to basically know that we are Gucci right now. So if you guys are part of this stream and you are part of it and you are in this stream right now while I record, while I'm doing this, I don't know if my friend's in or not, while I'm recording through Discord and a few other things, we're in a flippin' intro. Let's get this right thing. Let's get this thing. Okay, so hopefully this records this. I don't know if it will. Dude, is it recording? Is it recording my gameplay? Dude, is it recording? I don't know. Is it recording my gameplay? I don't think it is, but we'll try it. We'll just try and figure it out. Actually, no. Yeah, we're gonna quit this. Okay, we're gonna quit that. Okay, we're still recording. Okay, it's only been a minute. We got 2 notifications. What you doing? Nothing, man. I am Rick. That's what I'm doing. Nothing, man. I'm Rick. That's what I'm doing. I'm Gucci. I'm good. Yeah. Okay, so this, guys, is just me managing my servers. I'm talking, I'm chilling, I'm doing my own thing. Hold on, it's cool. Just wait. We are just doing a chat recording. So, guys, if you want to friend me on Discord, this is my name, God_GGYT at #8003, and that is my name. I'm also joined with Spambot2. What? Let's go, Spambot2. You can join in the call. Let me add you in call. There we go. I'm gonna add him in the call because why not? We gonna add him. We gonna make it cool. Okay, we're gonna add him. Oh yeah. Okay, let's add this dude. You okay?
What's giddy, everyone? It's your boy Naviers like Spambot2, and today we're with Kim Friendly.
Woo! Let's go! Let's go, guys.
And you're making a video. I'm not making a video. I'm just making the intro on this video. Yeah.
So, if you guys are not part of the Peck Squad, please smack that subscribe button. Even if you have to, grab a flipping box and smash that box. Smash it so hard that you're gonna hit that subscribe. And turn on.
You better freaking hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to be notified when I upload, and smash that like button and comment down below what you think I should do for another video, guys, because we're out here. We're the Peck Squad. We out here and we do videos almost every single day. Now, what I will say, let's get right into this video. What I will say, guys, okay? What I will say is I know I haven't uploaded, okay? I know I haven't uploaded in a while, and I've been busy, and I haven't uploaded, right? I haven't been uploading. Okay, I've been busy. I've been busy managing servers, getting so many calls and stuff. No, Dad. I've been busy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna specify. I've been busy with my YouTube channel. Look at that. 107 subscribers just because we're booming. It's insane. And
I do have a few other things to say before we just end off this video. I want to end this video off because it's only a 5-minute video, but it's just to talk to you guys, see what's going down in the world of, well, community and Roblox as we all know it. Okay, we all know Roblox. We all know the Golden Dominus event that was happening. Well, we're not going to get that Golden Dominus. Nobody else is, except one specific YouTuber. And I got that name. But I'm not going to say his name out because I don't know if I have permission to blur out that name. Okay?
It's mine. My username channel is mine, and I got the Golden Dominus. Yes. I'm so happy.
You do not have the Golden Dominus. My Roblox username is this. There is a very specific thing we're gonna do. Okay? I need you guys to crop my merch. Okay, I'm gonna show you my merch. Alright? The merch that I got for my avatar. Okay? Not the Duck Squad. This right here. This is the merch. You need to get this merch. You need to get my shirt and my pants that I just put on. You need to get those because that is my merch. Okay, that's my merch. I didn't create it, but you know what? That's my merch. But you need to go get it. Okay, and please sub to my YouTube. I'm awesome. I'm a good guy. And once this video hits 7. Okay, it's about to hit 7, so make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a like down below what you think I should do for another video, guys. And please, if you guys are part of the family and want to be part of the family, please, for the love of God, get that foxtail too, because we out here, we're good, we're Gucci. Okay, I'm going to end this video off here, guys. Make sure to please join the Pack Squad, turn on post notifications, leave a like, comment down below what you think I should do, and I will see you guys all next time. Do you have anything to say before we end off, Spambot?
My outro. So guys, if you enjoyed the video,
Yeah.
like I said in the beginning of the video,
Woo!
if you want to be a part of the Pack Squad and the Spam Squad, subscribe to both our channels, Mav and
Kid Friendly Bamboo 88.
and yeah.
And guys, if you also want an intro and outro, please comment down below. Tell me what kind of intro or outro you want. Or you can contact me on Discord. It's the best. But I will see you guys all next time. Pack out. Peace. And